Hello friends, today I'm going to explain about the mental health support system. So as I said, we want to create a mental health support system that can respond to a particular person, not only respond but keep seeing, hearing, monitoring, just like a private psychologist. We want the mental health support system not only to detect any kind of mental health issues but also to guide and support in addressing those issues. In architecture, where on the right hand side we are capturing all the data and we are channeling it through systems or softwares which can interpret this data, store it in a database like AWS DynamoDB, where we can try to apply machine learning on this data and detect for any stress levels or any mental health issues. And if the mental health issue is far greater beyond a particular point, we want the AWS Lambda to trigger a response back to the user, which is indicated by the green line where the response is going back to the particular user. And this table shows the input to machine learning program where every feature is scaled between 0 to 10. So the features that we considered in this phase was sleep, nutrition, brain, data, physical health and hydration. Based on this, we came up with a mental health result between 0 and 10. For the ease of, so here we are reading the file and we loading the data set, and then we mention what are the features and target, and we apply linear regression model, and based on that we get a predicted result. As you will see, the plot shows the graph of data between predicted result and the actual result. So the predicted and actual result are exactly matching, which means this linear regression model is working perfectly as far as our data set is concerned. So these are some chatbot screens where the user is typing. We have tried to integrate the local Indic language and see if the chatbot responds. And we did find locally that when we implemented this chatbot, though the input was in English, we could get a response in Hindi.
The chatbot acts like a virtual mental health therapist. It is a kind, empathic, and respond in a helpful and judgmental way to the user mental health related question. The bot Vasiyullah. Today I am feeling anxious.
Hello Rasulullah, thank you for sharing your feelings with me. I understand that you're feeling anxious today. It's brave of you to acknowledge this. Can you tell me more about what might be contributing to your anxiety? Sometimes, identifying the source can help us explore coping strategies. Remember, I'm here to listen without judgment.